Hello, this is Camvat speaking for CISG 113 Section 1 Information Security and Privacy. I'm doing this recording to help you understand how to make the best use of the Wiki tool under your Moodle environment. So let's get started. Let's say you come to our Moodle environment for CISG 113 Section 1. So let me invite you to week number 5. This is week number 1, week number 2, week number 3, week number 4, and here we go, we come to week number 5. This is for your second learning contract because the second learning contract covers week number 5, 6, and 7. So I have already included a link to the collaborations wiki in each of these 3 weeks. So let's go to the collaborations wiki here by clicking into it. So when we click into the collaborations wiki, for completeness sake, I have selected pair number 3 as an illustrative example. So here we go. You come to pair number 3, this wiki environment. Now let me try to do the edit first. So under the edit, I'm going to delete some links first. I'm going to delete Dr. Vett's link and Dr. Lee's links. So let's go back to the picture, which is as shown by this pair. So you see that in this wiki, the students here, Lei Lam and Roy, Lei Lam's name is Key, has created 2 links, one for each of themselves, one in red, the other in blue. Now the difference between the red link and the blue link is the blue link has the page created already, but the red link does not have any page. So Key actually has created a wiki page for herself, and Roy has not yet created a page for himself yet, but they do have the links now. As a teacher, let me just create a link for myself and actually a page for myself in this wiki. So in this case, I'm going to type Dr. Vett. This is the name of my wiki page to be created under pair number 3's wiki. Now the trick here is, whatever name you use, you must put that name in a set of 2 consecutive square brackets like this. Now this is the only trick you need to know in order to create a link for a wiki page under the Moodle's environment's wiki tool. So when I save it now, you can see Dr. Vett's name appear in red. That means a link has already been done for Dr. Vett. Now if you see that there is in blue, it's because previously I've already created a link for myself. Now in order to make sure that you see that the red links here, let me just use a different name. So let's say we have Dr. Wong, okay? So and I'm going to save Dr. Wong's name. So you can see that after I save it, Dr. Wong's name appears in red because no page has already been created for it, but Dr. Vett has already been created for it at the very beginning, as you can see that. So in order to make the best use of this name to create a page, I have to click on Dr. Wong's page, and now the dialog asks me if I want to create a page, and I say yes, I create a page for Dr. Wong, and then I will be brought into this editor. So I would say this is Dr. Wong's page. Okay, this is Dr. Wong's page, and I'm going to save this. Now once I save this, I have put something in Dr. Wong's page, but the question is, how can I go back to the front page? Well, it's going to be easy. You go to the map, and once you get to the map, you copy the front page name from here. Alright, as you can see, Dr. Vett and Dr. Lee and Dr. Wong now is included. And so I go back to Dr. Wong's page, and I'm going to copy and paste this backlink, or better say front links, back to Dr. Wong's page, and then I'm going to save this. Okay, once I saved it, you can see that on Dr. Wong's page I could have a link back to the front page. The only way to find out is to click on it. Oh yeah, sure, I was back to the front page. And so that is the end of my demonstration. You can see that you can use the wiki to create as many pages as you want. For example, a page for your meeting minutes, a page for your journal, and also a page for discussion forum, by enclosing the name of the page in a set of 2 consecutive square brackets, and save it and copy the links back into it, just as what I do. Thank you very much for your listening.